In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a new account in Clash Mini. So here we go. To create a new account in Clash Mini, you need to click on the gear icon at the upper right corner. Now here, please be reminded that you can only create a new Clash Mini account if your current account is already connected to Supercell ID. If you don't know how to connect your Clash Mini account to Supercell ID, I have a tutorial about that. Check the link in the description. And once your account is already connected to Supercell ID, click on the green connected button here. And go to settings by clicking the gear icon. Here you will see this logout button. Click on it. Confirm. And finally, to create a new Clash Mini account, click on Play without Supercell ID.